Hey everyone, it's Robin and welcome to the Robin's Nest. Today on my channel, I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate this absolutely adorable and really simple rubber ducky baby shower cake for a little boy. It's going to be bubbly and fun and oh so cute. So let's get into it. So for today's cake, I'm starting it with 3 6-inch chocolate cake layers, which we're just going to begin by trimming down and leveling out. Then we're going to grab some vanilla American buttercream and we're going to stack and fill our layers. Then we're going to give it a quick crumb coat and pop it off into the fridge to chill. So for my 6-inch cakes, I like to use at least a 10-inch board. And as you can see, I've also doubled it up, which I always do even for my small cakes, because you really don't want your cake board to bend and mess up the finish of your cake. And also, having a larger cake board is also going to leave a little extra room on the sides in case you want to add any extra decorations, or if you'd like to personalize it with a name. It's just going to give you a little extra room to play with. So the first thing we're going to do here is add a little bit of buttercream to our cake board. And this is going to act as a glue. And you're going to secure your first layer of cake. And then we're just going to proceed to stack and fill our layers and then complete our crumb coat. So while we're waiting for our cake to chill, we're going to start working on our cake topper because it's going to need a little bit of time to dry. So I had a really sweet idea to make a bubbly It's a Boy cake topper. So I drew up a little template here, and this is going to be our big message bubble. So it's a boy. And then we're going to use a variety of different size piping tips to cut out a whole bunch of different circles. And then we're going to pile them and mound them together to make it look like a little stream of floating bubbles. It's going to be really cute. So we're going to take this piece of white fondant. We're going to add a little bit of tile powder to help it dry a little bit faster. Then we're going to roll it out, apply our stencil, and then we can start cutting and painting. Alright guys, there we go. Didn't that turn out super cute? I think it's going to look so good on our cake. So now we're going to set this off to the side to dry for a little bit. And once it's firmed up a little bit, we're going to add a wooden skewer to the back of it so we have something to attach to the cake with. So we're just going to set this over here. And next we're going to work on our little rubber ducky for the front of our cake. How cute he turned out, isn't he? Absolutely adorable. I just love him. I think he's so cute. I just love rubber duckies. In fact, I think he's so cute, I'm going to have to make another tiny little one for the top of the cake too. So I'm going to get to making that, and when we're finished, we're going to grab our cake and give it another coat of icing. Okay, so I've grabbed my cake and now it's time to give it its main coat of icing. So we're going to take more of our white American buttercream and we're going to apply a nice thick generous layer all over our cake, and then I'm going to smooth it out using a bench scraper. Now once I'm finished with that, we're going to pop it back in the fridge to chill and let it set for about 10 or 15 minutes, and then when we come back we're going to give it a really cool wave pattern all around the base of the cake. Okay, so we finished with all of our decorations and now it is time to complete our wave pattern. So we're going to be using sort of a half wrap technique for this, and we're going to be using 3 different color blues, a light, a medium, and a dark blue. And I also have a little bit of white here too that we're going to use for bubbles. So we're going to start with the lightest blue first and work our way out to the darkest blue, and I'm also going to add my decorations as I go. So once I'm finished, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Well, here it is, guys. What do you think? Didn't it turn out so cute? I just love it. I think it's so sweet. And every time I see rubber duckies, I can't help but think of Ernie from Sesame Street. You know, him sitting in his tub, singing his song. No, I'm not going to sing it, but if you guys know what one I'm talking about, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Well, that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit that big thumbs up button and leave me lots of love in the comment section too. And if you haven't done so already and you enjoyed the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you receive the notification every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.